What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Congrats to San Miguel for getting game two. Nico here with Mario and Graham. This is the finals game to recap of our PBA Finals All Filipino Cup. And I think it all started in the first quarter. No? Medyo alam mo na where things are going. SMB started with a fiery run led by Don Troliano. And in a way, they never looked back from there. They just kept TNT at bay. And
Yeah.
parang yun yung story ng game, no? It was kind of determined. I would say just in the I won't say first quarter, maybe in the first half. That SMB just wanted it more. They were kind of eating TNT alive. Unlike nung game one na TNT had the upper hand, right? Kita
Yeah.
natin yun. But here, it was an overwhelming SMB win.
Yeah. Dude, in all honesty, man, um, it's kind of hard. I don't want to say that we expected this because
Wala, hindi naman natin na-expect.
because we don't really want to like say those things. But dude, of course, SMB was always gonna bounce back. This was never gonna be a walk in the park for TNT, man. Um, it just so happens now people were right last game when they said that TNT started the game off so hot na if they didn't start off the game that hot, it might have been a problem towards the end. And I think Graham was the one who said it. So that's the only props I'm gonna give him for this episode. By the way, when I say props to Graham, I'm talking about like credit, not like the object.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
If
right.
you know, you
Okay.
know, bro. If you know,
Yeah. I'm sorry, that guy. I misunderstood you, man. But whatever you meant, sorry about that.
but yeah, dude. This is just SMB's gonna have these games, bro, where they're just the better team for the whole game. And if you're a TNT fan, you're happy it happened now. At least it's not in game 6, right? But
Mm-mm.
even in the
Oh, that's
moment,
coming. That's
yeah, it,
coming.
it, it will be coming sooner rather than later. But man, like the reality is, dude, the counter when TNT made their runs, SMB had an answer every single time. And it feels like that is how this game or this series is going na whoever is able to withstand the run ng kabilang team will win the game. In game 1, 'di ba? TNT was leading the whole way. SMB cut it all the way to 2 or 3. I forgot what it was. And then
One.
one? Was it there was
One.
one? Oh, sorry. I don't really. And TNT
Wow.
was able to hold on, 'di ba? And then in this one, TNT SMB was fiery as hell. TNT made a comeback in the second quarter, then SMB responded. TNT made a comeback at the end of the third, start of the fourth, then SMB responded. So I think it's whoever is able to answer back yung mga runs na yun yung mananalo talaga.
Yeah, this is a fight back that was really expected. Bitin lang yung comeback ng SMB talaga in game 1. This is kind of a continuation of their
Yeah.
second half of game number 1, wherein the defense was excellent. Tapos tumatama yung players nila. Especially Don Troliano, who struggled in game 1, only had 4 points, di ba? This time around, he was the best player of the game. Again, why is he coming off the bench? I don't know. Okay,
Eh,
at this
pagalitan mo
point,
yung NLEX, men. Sila yung
well,
namigay.
that's true
Sa
that's true,
Inlex,
man. Or
sa Inlex na
even
naman.
Northport, di ba? Even Northport. But man, he's just outside of Junmar, he's been their best player in these playoffs.
Yeah,
Am
I
I
agree. Oh
wrong
yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
saying
You're
that?
not wrong. You're not
Yeah,
wrong.
he is, di ba? I mean,
100%,
CJ had an
100%.
explosive game 6, but other than that, it's been
It's
Don
been Don.
Troliano
Bro,
carrying
wherever
the
Don
load.
goes, ano mo yung song, wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. That's
Oh
Don,
yeah,
bro. Wherever
yeah.
Don goes, that SMB's gonna follow, if you ask me.
That's right, man. And in this game, he started hot, and then ano na lang siya, cruise control. Can you believe he's a plus 31 today? Plus
That's disgusting,
31.
by the way. A plus 31 is absolutely
I mean,
that is a disgusting
plus
number, by
31
the
and the
way.
plus minus. And then again, Junmar is just steady 17.16 rebounds. That's just steady. I mean,
Well,
pa naman yung 17
does the day end
16.
with Y? Does the day end with Y, brother?
That's right. Uh, um, pero bro, San Miguel just started strong and never looked back. There was a point when it was down to 10, but I wasn't really concerned. Like, I know they weren't. gonna let go of the ropes.
Yeah.
When San Miguel, you know, starts that strong, sobrang hirap nilang balikan. I mean, I'm really surprised how our team Mario did it in game 5 na bumalik from 16-18 down to 2, di ba? But
We still
ito
lost.
mahirap na we still lost, I
We
know,
still
but
lost.
um
We still lost.
I know, but TNT was only able to cut it down to 10.
Oh.
All I'm saying is they are just so good all around. Chris Ross didn't even have that Chris Ross game offensively, but he was tremendous on defense as well. Marcio, man, 12 points.
We called it. Didn't we
You're
say it?
welcome. You're
Marcio nga,
welcome,
yeah.
San Miguel.
Brother,
You're welcome, San Miguel.
SMB coaching staff, SMB staff, PBA front office. You're welcome, dude. We're giving you
You're
guys the
welcome.
script. We're giving you guys the script on how to fix
The
your league.
blueprint.
Yeah,
The
dude.
blueprint.
What did we say, Graham, at the end? We said the last episode we needed Marshall and Don or Wami to
Yun
have
yung
a good
nangyari.
game.
Yung tatlong yun
happened?
nangyari.
Oh, diba?
Right.
That's what we're saying, bro. And then
Man.
what did we say? We said the best format for All-Star was what?
biglang pinasok yung
the
argument niya.
college. All right. By the way, Wami Chongson scored 9 points in the first quarter.
Right? I was like,
Right
what?
after that. But
7
let's set
9.
up
It's somewhere around that.
Yeah.
Around that.
After
Brother,
that, 0. But that
Best
he
game
set
he
up he set up the
Best game
tone.
he's had in an SMB jersey.
No, you're wrong about that.
Yeah.
He set up the tone, man. He set up the tone for SMB na a surprise starter, which should not have been a surprise because it was a starter last conference. Pero he had 9 points early. Medyo kumawala yung San Miguel. And at that point, cruise control na lang sila. Also, the prophet mentioned Jericho Cruz. When he scores double digits in game 2, they're gonna win. Okay, he scored 12 points. I mean, light work for the prophet right there. And lastly, can you stop yapping about Chris Miller, man? 3 points, 1 minute of game time.
Oy, nabigyan siya ng ano ah.
Brother,
If he was there for 48 minutes,
guess how many
points would he have scored?
48 times 3, boys.
144, man.
Wilt who? Kobe who?
Who would have had 144? Wilt back the hell off. Harms Hui back the hell off, brother. It is Chris Miller.
Hindi siya abot kay Harms Hui, man. Kay Wilt pa lang siya.
May tumatawag na siguro sa phones niya na lahat ng NBA agents. You want the Chris Miller guy.
Oh my God, brother, I'm not gonna do this. People might think we're being legit. So I'm gonna leave that argument over there, brother. You can say whatever you want to say.
And CJ Perez, man, struggled in the first half. Sumut yung bank of the glass 3-pointer niya. That was the start of his avalanche.
Bro, there were 2 sequences which I can remember, which I believe kind of steadied the ship for SMB. In the third quarter, it was Chris Ross who made a step back 3 against Halalon. It was a 10-point lead.
Yung off the glass, di ba?
Hindi, si CJ yun.
Sino sinasabi mo? Chris Ross. I remember.
Yeah. He hit the 3 to make it back to 13. Tapos in the fourth quarter, it was the CJ Perez step back over Kim Aurin off the backboard, which
sa
went
gilid.
sa gilid pa, diba? Gilid din. That's how bad he's been shooting. It hit it was going towards the whole other side and it still went in. Pero I'm curious about that sequence in itself, man. I am curious about how in the world that's a technical foul on Calvin Oftana.
Yung swing daw kasi.
Nag-swing siya.
Did he just go like that or something? Like,
parang, yeah, I get it, man.
Pero di ko rin gets ba't naging technical foul yun. Pero yun yung argument siguro nila na may...
Siya yung nasampal sa mukha. Tapos siya yung na-technical.
Kahilig yun eh. Di, parang ano yun, parang kahilig try to take a swipe. Nagkataon dumaplis sa mukha niya ba yun?
Bro, I would rather na ano siya. I would rather na double tech siya. I would have rather na double tech.
Calvin na pinag-inita. Kinagala si Jonas eh.
Pag dinouble tech mo, pumasok si
Jonas.
Bro,
dude, that's when Coach Trot went like, Coach Trot was like, yo.
Oh yeah, yung...
Tama na.
Yeah.
Bro,
pero pag dinouble tech mo, anong ginawa ni Kahilig to warrant a technical foul, di ba?
Slap the dude in the face, but I mean, to be fair, it depends. Because there are some leagues which call anything above the head and neck a possible technical if it's not like keeping it safe. There are some. Although, again, don't call it a double tech, but don't call it tech at all then, if that's is my question. Like, leave it be. I don't even think Calvin swung. I mean,
Yeah, and
baka yung stream ko
sabi
na
nga parang I forgot the explanation, para excessive swing of the elbow something. I forgot. I may be wrong about that. Pero I mean, just because you review the play doesn't mean there has to be a call in
yeah,
the end.
exactly. Just let it
Diba?
go.
Wala eh.
Eh, walang nangyari. Di walang nangyari. Ba't natin pipilitin magka-technical yung isang tao,
Yeah,
man?
that's after the Chris Ross three-pointer, di ba? Parang, or the CJ
It was
three-pointer.
before. It was before the CJ
The
three-pointer.
CJ
It was
three-pointer,
before the
okay.
CJ. That's why I
Yeah.
think it was a big deal kasi medyo
10
nag-iiba
na lang
yung
ata yun eh, no? 10 ba or 12?
Hindi,
Parang ganun.
12.
12, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Diyan nagbabago yung ihip ng hangin eh. Yung mga,
Yung mga,
even if dude, Don missed the free throw, so it doesn't really matter. At hindi, 11 siya, 11 naging 14. Tapos naging 19 after. But anyway, to be fair man, Don missed the free throw. So at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter in terms of the score. Pero yung like, yung momentum of the game, the speed of the game, how it was all going, at that point, it just felt like parang asakit nun for TNT eh. That's how I see it, man.
yeah, that's a momentum swing, no
Yeah.
pun intended, call. For although si ano, although the technical free throw was missed by Trollano.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Pero
It
like,
doesn't matter, pero kasi yung ganun, it plays with your psycho eh. But
kaya nga
I
eh.
mean, SMB was the better team from
Oh
the
yeah.
start to finish. Chris Ross, I think nasaktan si Chris Ross in the fourth quarter, something like that. I was not able to verify if may report about that. I'm
Parang
not
may
too
iniinda
worried
na siya
about it.
ever since. Parang ano
Yeah,
lang
pero
siguro.
Brother,
right,
he's
parang
like
sa
40,
right.
isn't he like 40 or something? Of course he's may
Yeah,
iniinda siya, man.
well,
Everybody
you're
above
right
30,
about that.
everybody above 35 may iniinda sila even if they're not a basketball player.
Yeah,
Like,
I agree with you. But man, I mean, even Moto Tua, who we probably won't shout out enough this in this
Ganda na,
game.
no? 3 straight
14
games ata na
points.
gano'n kaganda.
Three
Oo.
he's
straight.
been playing well for 3
Was he a
straight games.
beast in game 6 against Ginebra? I can't remember.
Yes,
Yeah,
dude.
maganda.
He
Sobrang ganda
was
laro. Parang, yun nga, 3-4 straight games na siyang,
He's been playing
okay.
very well in these past.
Overshadowed lang ni CJ, no? But yeah, I mean, played great in game 1, played excellent again in game 2, and I mean, outside of Kelly, they're outplaying the big men of TNT. I mean,
TNT. Dude, man, that's my problem. I truly believe right now na Poy Eram is having a absolute stinker of a series. And
he
you
had a
need
good
Poy
game. He had an okay game 1.
What did he have in game 1? I'm sorry, I'm not
He had those back-to-back threes and the blocks on June Mar,
Yeah,
diba?
but I mean, again, man, this is SMB. You don't really get. Although, medyo I think we didn't notice it as much sa game 1 kasi Galinato had 12 or 14 or whatever it was.
Nawala yon yung mga drop pass, diba?
Yeah, nawala yung drop pass. You're right on that. Oh, the prophet. Oh my God. The prophet is on.
Light right.
Oh my God, you're on one.
light.
Brother. Oh
Light.
my God. Right now. Like, but you're not wrong. Galinato, the drop pass the whole drop pass thing was defended well in this one. And I think at the same time, I just think TNT had a hard time even penetrating SMB's defense. This isn't a good game. Wait lang, sorry. I don't know why my screen's not moving. I think again in that last game, Enciso started you off hot eh. Enciso hot, he had like 7, 8, I forgot what it was. Walang pumutok ng ganyan for TNT at the start. So, dahil naunahan sila ng SMB ng sobra, it was kind of hard for them to, I guess, keep up with it at the end of the day.
Yeah. I mean, if you look at the box score and if you watch the game, if TNT won, who would have been the best player? Hirap. Kasi wala talaga nag-stand out eh.
Kevin
Wala
Ferrer.
nag-stand out. Yeah, Kevin Ferrer had
Kevin
11
Ferrer.
points.
Kevin
You
Ferrer.
know,
Brother.
Nikos must be salivating, man. Like Kevin
Bro,
Ferrer.
he was shooting
Big
fours.
26.
He was shooting fours like it was nobody's business, bro. It was like, hey man, out of my way, boys.
Well, nakita niya kasi dilaw yung nasa crowd. Kala niya nasa Uste pa rin siya. Diba?
Ow!
With the USD had the license to shoot. I mean, whatever shot.
Kaya pala pumasok
Kevin
eh.
Ferrer
2 for
goes,
5
diba?
siya. Not bad ah.
Kaya pala was going in. He thought he was in USD again.
Yeah, it's a
You're
USD
right,
siya.
you're
But
right.
man,
Legend
it's
talaga.
The prophet
I mean,
is
heading-
on one. The
I told
prophet
you.
is
Told you I'm
on
on
one.
fire. Watch out in a few minutes, man. I have something for TNT. But heading
Nako po.
heading started okay and then struggled, especially in the second half. Kitang-kita mo yung pagod ni Jordan Heading kanina. And it's gonna be a short turnaround. Sunday agad yung game 3, di ba? Nang batak was the usual offensive firepower, hit a 4-pointer. Again, these were the best 4-pointers, 4-point shooters in the in the Philippines, without a doubt. Diba?
Bro, yung sa tingin ko lang, I believe you need a bit more Gio Halalon minutes. He had 20 today, and admittedly, I liked him in his 20 minutes, dude. I liked what he was doing. I think he was one of the reasons they were making that comeback. And even if Chris Ross hit the threes to whatever, I think you can't really keep Gio on the bench this long. Yung defensive effort niya kasi medyo may nadadala yun sa whole ass it kind of helps the
Pesky siya eh.
whole like if you see one dude going at it, the whole team's gonna go for it. It's like Alex Caruso when he was on the Lakers. That Lakers team was dog on defense, but when you see one dude trying his hardest, you're gonna probably try your hardest also.
Yeah, tama man. Even if you're not really the good defensive player that Halalon is, and then stop starting Kay Maurin for God's sake, man. Like you really have to.
He's an
I
all-star
know.
in your version of the in your version of the All-Star game. He's an all-star.
If you refine the definition of the All-Star game, then yes, he's definitely an All-Star. Pero stop starting Kay Maurin, man. There are better players than Kay. First of all, nang batak and heading coming off the bench. I mean, it doesn't
Tactic lang
make
naman yan.
sense.
Tactic.
One of them
Well,
has
like
to
in terms of
start.
the minutes, it ends up being, pero you can't start slow eh.
Yun nga, they started slow and then dire-diretso na.
You can't
Doon sila
start slow
napako.
eh.
Yeah. Diba? You have the two best left-handed players in the Philippines.
Hirap
and both
nun, no?
of them are coming
Backcourt.
off the bench for Kim Maureen and Simon Enciso.
Oo nga,
Come on, what are we doing?
May friend
What are we doing?
ako nag-text. Bakit starter si Kim Aurin? Sorry, kakapanood ko lang ng PBA Finals after a long while. Sabi ko, welcome. Magulo talaga. Sorry.
But in this game, brother, naramdaman nila pagkawala ni RR. Like RR could have definitely hit some shots for TNT. And this is ito yung mafe-feel mo na
is he coming back game 3? Did they say na 1 and 2 wala siya? Di ba wala daw siya 1 and 2? Sure. So parang 3 questionable.
Basta, brother, for me, basta wag nila pilitin, I'm fine. But just wag nyo pilitin, please, man.
Tapos galing na siya Sagada. Tapos na.
Man, kasi let's say he was not able to play games 1 and 2. Does that mean he's healthy enough for game 3? May ramp up process pa yan di ba? It's not an easy...
He might not be in condition, but he may be healthy enough to play.
Yeah. Ganyan yung ginawa nila kay Poy last conference, Mario or Nico, remember? Na parang pinilit nila and then it ended up being a worse injury than what it
to be fair, man,
was.
we've been adamantly hating on that.
Yeah.
Because of what they did there.
Kaya nga, but they were gunning for a Grand Slam then. This time, this is the first conference of the new season. So, no, we should not be forcing, they should not be forcing RR if he's not yet healthy. But man, this is just SMB bouncing back. I know in the first 2 games, brother, you can argue with me. SMB looked like the better team.
Oh, no, here we go. I don't think they look like the better team in game 1, bro. I don't think they look like the better team in game 1. Dude, you can't tell me they look like the better team in game 1 when number 1, they were down by 18 or something. And number 2, they lost. They can't be you can't tell me in between both games they look like the better team. I don't think so, man.
Yeah. I mean, they dominated TNT more than TNT dominated them. The entirety of game 2, man, it didn't even feel like a contest. And then in the second half of game 1, it felt like SMBs, di ba?
Yeah, but I just don't think I can see it now. Oh, SMB is just dominating this. Like it just isn't there for me, man. Like, yes, they're outplaying them. I believe they're outplaying them, but then especially in this game, but then I can't throw away the game 1 win of TNT and say na, oh, SMB is
not throwing it away. And people will say again, no, I hate TNT. Meron pa sabi dyan, papakulam daw nila ako. Yeah, come get some of my hair, man. I'll give it to you willingly. Tusok mo sa manika, man. I mean, I don't care. Just because I picked SMB.
Get it? Brother, y'all don't want the hair because I know where it's gonna come from and it ain't
Same. I'm like,
because this one's lacking. This one's lacking. But man, I mean, just because I picked SMB, a team that has beaten you 10 out of the last 14 times to win, you're calling me a TNT hater? Like, come on, man. You're not being worthy of being hated on. There's only one team I hate, and that's our rivals. I mean,
I
I
think you're
don't
a
like
TNT.
TNT, but I don't hate TNT. You know what I'm saying? I pick you against Meralco, I pick you against Ross, I pick you against any other team but SMB. And Ginebra, of course, diba? So, they're just, SMB is just a better team. That's the story at the end of the day. 19-point win, and in game 3, it's gonna be a 7-point win in the end for SMB.
For TNT. I don't know.
Is there anything wrong about it?
I think dude, again, this is just also a bad game for TNT. We can say the same thing. I believe this was a bad game for TNT, not really because, I mean, yes, SMB's defense was tight as hell, but at the same time, TNT was just playing like dogs, dude. Like, we know they play a lot better than this. So, I just can't for the life of me say na SMB is dominating this series right now. I don't think so. It's 1-1 on the scorecard, brother. Like, that's all that matters.
Well, you're right about that. I mean, you win by 1, you win by 30, it's the same. But
Same. Looks
if
exactly the
if you
same.
look at the, if you look at the, if you use your eyes, brother, SMB looks like the more dominant. Heading into game 3, SMB, I know it's a
Of course,
series,
heading into
diba?
game 3, they look like
Yeah,
the
yeah, I know,
dominant
I
team. They
know.
won game
I
2.
I know, but man, the way they got spanked, BTA tonight, it doesn't look good.
Again, I could agree. I could agree, but then belt to ass for me is what Hinebra did to NLEX in the regular season when there was zero chance
Ah,
from the start to end. You can't tell me in the third quarter there was nobody sweating when that lead was cut down to 10, man.
10.
That's why I can't fully say na yes SMB won, but then there are those moments where you're just like, hey, man, this might be a little comeback. And the fact na a team like that can do it to SMB, again, I don't hate it. I just don't hate it.
There's an eliminated team that did that to SMB, and you're not giving them their props.
Yeah, and they're eliminated for a reason.
Yeah, but man, I the thing that makes me, the thing that makes me think that SMB is the more dominating team is they're doing this, hindi pa nagdo-dominate si Junmar. They still haven't.
You're gonna
They
you're gonna
still have,
laugh when I say this, man. I don't think Junmar's gonna have a dominant game in this series.
wow.
And
Consistent, dominant double doubles. I mean,
yeah, I
consistent
mean he'll
double
have these double
doubles.
doubles, like Nico said.
12 and
Tama siya.
17, 13
Yeah.
and 7,
But I don't think there's
16,
gonna be a game where he's
30
gonna
and 20.
30 and 20. Because
Wala.
there's just too many TNT bigs for him to be able to do that, if you ask me. Because like against Hinebra, he once you get past Norbert, you're who you got next. You know what I mean? Here's a
Yeah.
TNT kasi medyo may bala sila every time. He'll still get his numbers. He'll still get 15 and what did he have? He had 17 and 16 and that's still dominant. But I think most of the series will rely on Don not Juan.
CJ.
Marshall, CJ, barely even CJ if I'm being honest. Don Marshall, Chris, Jericho, yung mga yan yung talagang magpo-push to the end. Junmar will do this. Junmar will get 15 and 15 easily every game. But I think maybe the max he'll do is a 20-20, which is also dominant. I'm not saying these
Whoa. Max
I'm
in
not-
this 2020.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. These lines kasi they're already dominant in itself eh. Like 17 and 16 is so dominant already, dude. But then I don't think there's gonna be a game where Junmar single-handedly wins them the game. Walang ganun sa tingin ko. It will always be on the back of a Don or a CJ or a Marshall or a Chris. It won't just be Junmar alone. Dun sa Hinebra series kasi there will be games where Junmar wins it on his own. Dito I don't think walang Junmar. I don't think there's gonna be a Junmar game like that.
I beg to disagree. I think it's gonna be in game 3. But
You think everything's gonna happen in game 3, mother?
no.
That's a wild
I
game
think the
3 though.
Junmar,
It's
the
gonna be a
Junmar,
wild
This guy,
game.
this guy
dominant.
believes in game 3, Junmar's gonna drop 60, Marshall's gonna drop 40.
No,
Like, what
no, 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 no. I think Junmar's gonna be the best player of the game in game 3 in front of 6,500 fans at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. That's fine,
Hey, 6-5 not a bad number, huh?
Yeah, in the finals, yeah, it is.
In the finals, it's bad, but then it's not a
Yeah.
bad number in general.
It's exactly what I'm saying. It's a bad number in the finals.
He's
Game
a
3
hater,
Sunday
bro.
Moa Arena. I mean, come on, man. Like again, I called out TNT fans for not watching. Please, dami nyo online, man. I mean, posible that kahit taga Mindanao in Visayas. cannot travel to the to
So
Metro
mga
Manila.
nagre-reply sa'yo doon. Yung mga, I'm all the way in Iloilo, by the way. Do you really want me to watch? Like,
No, I mean, I replied to that. Sabi ko sa napanood na sila sa Pasay and he said, yeah, I was able to watch in one of the games in Iloilo. That's fine. I mean, taga Zamboanga ka. That's fine. I mean, are you saying na all of them are from Visayas and Mindanao?
no, they're not.
Di ba? I mean, malakas lang kayo online eh. I mean, TNT, dapat malakas talaga kayo online because you're a telecommunications company.
Hey, by
But,
the way, we gotta train these referees, bro.
oh, yeah. By the way, before you say that, man, Rodney Brondial twisted his ankle, played really well at 12 rebounds, 5 of them offensive, man. He was felt in this game. Face card, very good. Gameplay, so nice. Go ahead,
Girth.
do the refs. Let's
Girth.
not talk about that.
Amazing. We gotta train these referees, by the way. Not just in officiating, but also in like that whenever they do the
Communication.
thing. Like, brother, please, the TNT is no longer called talk and text. It's been a decade, I think.
TNT for, I don't know, man, probably a decade na nga. Yeah.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, if you watch that if there are people out there who watched PBA for the first time in their lives, and what they saw was that last 5 minute stretch, I promise you, the PBA has better basketball than that. That 5 minute stretch was the most disgusting basketball
Yeah.
possibly ever.
Pinaparod ko. Sabi ko na to. Ito pinaparod ko.
Brother, that was so disgusting, okay? Like, it was a foul every 3 seconds.
Haba nung last 5 minutes na.
Bro, grabe yung haba. Bro, alam mo yun, I put on the stream again, pauwi ako from Manila. Last 5 minutes, pauwi ako from Manila. Pauwi ako from DLSU nun. I put it on, it was 5 minutes left. I was in Pasig and it was 30 seconds left. I'm dead ass, dude. Like, it was the longest 5 minutes I've ever felt. It was the worst 5 minutes I've ever felt. If it wasn't Kevin Ferrer chucking up a 4-pointer, it was I don't know, whatever the heck was happening on that court, man. And if it and SMB was taking free throws.
Yeah, there are people na nandun sa arena na tiningnan nila orasan nila when 5 minutes left. Parang, uy, abot pa ako sa tindahan ng Kasoy and Suman sa Antipolo. And when they went out, the stores are closed. Ganun kahaba yung last 5 minutes, man.
When they parked, sabi nila, hindi, abot naman ako sa free 3 hours. Tapos paglabas nila,
yeah.
may 50 pesos
Ba't sandaan na to? Yeah. Ganun kahaba yung last 5 minutes na yun, man. It was dragging. It was not fun to watch. If you want something fun to watch, Ginebra Converge Game 2. That was fun to watch.
Oh my God. Let it go, bro. We're eliminated. Let it go. Let it go, my guy.
I'm just recommending. I
don't give a flying hell what you're doing. I don't care. Shut up.
You open up. Something about...
Tingnan mo yung jersey sa likod. Meron pa siyang San Miguel dyan sa likod.
Hey!
Planado yan.
Hey! Where is that? San Miguel, man. San Miguel.
Who wears number 4? Is it RJ?
RJ.
Yeah, it is.
RJ. So now
San Miguel, man.
Now that we're done talking about the game, I have something else to bring up. Guys, the UAAP NCAA Other League All-Star format, I believe, is the best one. But please stop asking us to make the non-face card lineup.
We're not gonna do it.
If you're gonna
Patay tayo dyan.
If you're gonna ask somebody, just ask Grem alone, okay?
Gagawa siya sarili niya reel. Okay guys, ito yung face card conversation.
Guys, Nico and I have nothing to do with the non-face card lineup. Pwede pa, we were willing to do a face card lineup. But the non-face card, I don't have the balls to call a PBA player ugly or anything, man. I ain't got the balls on it, dude.
No. Hey, who said they have to be ugly? That just means that yung 12 na mapipili sa face card are the 12 most handsome players. And then the non-face card are the rest of the
players. Oh my God, Graham. Oh my God, I think we should end this episode.
That is not what you meant when we said face card versus non-face card. Nobody believes that's what you meant by that, man. We all know what you meant. We all know you meant good looking versus not good looking. We're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this.
Shut down for the past 3 months, Graham. Di pa rin.
At some point, guys, we're gonna have to put this disclaimer for Graham. He's straight, has a wife. don't worry about it. All right. like like I understand that there may be rumors about who he is, but he's straight to our knowledge naman.
Yeah,
To our
I'm
knowledge,
straight.
yeah.
I just cover volleyball games, but I'm straight, man.
And he has Kim Aurin as his background on his phone, but
But
Yeah.
he's still.
My
Don't-
background is my Lepuki bear, man.
Oh, so oh man, dude.
Okay.
Oh, he's so
All
straight.
right.
This is Kim Aurin yung home screen. Pagka,
Yung pag-unlock.
unlock.
When you unlock it, it's him and Kim Aurin kissing. Yung AI picture nila.
Hey, don't expose me,
But
man.
hey,
You
he's
see
straight.
my
But he's
phone.
straight.
with
But
with
he's
Don't
LP9
expose me.
with LP9 in the background.
Hey, by the way, but his girlfriend's using LP9. I mean, you're welcome.
But
Um,
resources.
predictions.
Yeah.
Game 3 predictions, man.
Game 3 predictions. I think it's
You're
TNT. I told
TNT,
you,
diba?
dude. I told you
I know.
TNT, SMB, TNT, TNT, SMB, TNT.
Nico, about you? TNT?
Yeah, I feel like TNT will get it back. 2-1.
Okay.
TNT SMB tayo, Mario, di ba? Nung
No,
for
I'm
game 2.
Yeah,
I
we're all
No,
SMB
game 2
in
prediction.
this game.
Ano ngayon, feel ko
Yeah,
TNT. Pero mga by
which is
2.
the obvious choice.
Pero
This
mga
is the
close
swing
game lang
game,
to.
Dito tayo
Swing
naghihiwalay
game
sa
to.
swing
All to
game.
2.
Yeah.
SMB
It's
ka.
SMB, man.
Sa 3.
Who's that? Yun.
Siyempre, SMB pipiliin yan, bro. Kahit game 1 to 7, SMB pipiliin yan.
4-0 na. No, next week kailangan mo na gagawin
4-0.
next.
Kahit mag-game 4-1 yan, game 6, SMB pipiliin yan, man.
SMB. San Miguel, San Miguel nakalagay.
Alright.
Told you.
Alright, guys.
He's the most hated. No, he is the most hater-like non-hater of TNT. That is
Bro, here's what I'm gonna tell you. I'm the most hated non-TNT hater in the
Most-
world. You know what I mean? Most hated non-TNT
Hindi
hater.
daw siya- basically, hindi siya
but
non-TNT hater. Pero hey,
You
syempre.
know the team that I hate. Everyone knows the team that I hate.
Who do
diba?
you hate, Graham? Who do you hate?
Magnolia. I set them up. I set them up for their downfall. Remember, pag 4-0 sila sa LMs when they're 6-2. Oh, Magnolia is the number 2 team in the PBA. And then when we do our quarterfinals preview, what happens? They go home. That's how I hate a team, man. It's not how I hate TNT. Don't hate TNT. I pick you all. Just not against SMB. That's just
disclaimer lang. But okay, guys, thank you so much for. Yes, Mario.
No. I'm not gonna say it. I'll save it. I'll
Thank
save
you so
it.
much for listening to the
I'll say-
podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Join our Facebook group, 6-Man Podcast Bench Mob.
Oh, wow.
Wave the white flag. Walang white flag. Black lang.
Wala ako eh. May undies daw, but I can't take it off. Adios, amigos.
Di pwede yung undies mo, Graham. May halong tayo dun sa gilid eh.
May halag tayo.
Di siya all white. Di siya all
May skid mark. May skid mark.
May skid mark na yun.
Adios, amigos.